go to Christmas for village. Then mobilize people, mobilize Ndada, mobilize these people, mobilize youth. Politicians who are wicked. So are you a politician? You are not wicked. Are you a politician? Wicked! They even get mind, mobilize masquerade. Ebo! See where Ebo, they don't display, finish. Okay, this is a spirit be Ebo. Ebo don't display. They can't pay everybody 30,000. See where the women they complain, everybody they complain. Ebo, start to complain. Say, how we go? Uno go 5,000. They can't say, okay, no problem. Can you get balance? A gym cash. Then my account number. See where they call 204 UBA. Ebo, they use UBA. Ebo.
Remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
Ladies, they always talk say men has come. We'll not be scum. We like to say the truth. Now when they ask questions. My neighbor then lie for her. One guy tell her to say they work for embassy. You don't ask them which embassy. You don't say the guy they work for Christ embassy. The other one, they date my neighbor. If they date her, next thing she don't come out. You lied to me. Everybody come to wonder, what's happened now? Come ask her, saying, Kechi, how they use life for you? Kechi said, look at him. He didn't tell me he was married. I said, who be that? In point one guy. The guy, they drive Sienna. Now, I come to ask her, what do you think? Young boy, they drive Sienna, he be DJ. They use and carry speaker. Why they stress us? Have you seen the prices of things? Now everything don't cost. They even buy money costs. Fuel costs. Gas costs. Everything in this country is expensive. Very, very expensive. Even nonsense, get mind the art price. Even chin-chin, where they give person headache. Get mind art price. Chin-chin. Bitter cola, oh. When not the sweet? I'm working the time it say don't. Why would they buy waiting not sweet? Bitter cola. Even unzu. Where they said 2 1 naira. Unzu get mind add money. You go for a restaurant to go chop. The title say goosey soup is 2.5, okra soup is 2.5, obono soup is 2.5, bitter leaf soup 3.5. He asks why this kind of way bitter. They say they give blood. Papa, blood they bitter. Blood they bitter. Even Sega, where Federal Minister of Health wants that smokers are liable to die young. Cigar get mind at price. Now you have to pay more to die. Wow. It's tough in this country. Often I go, they look my head, look at him, he ask my head, Baba. You don't see anybody will get by head. Yeah? They never believe saying I'm natural. You must first blame your Baba. You know, line this side. Baba, you don't start. Especially when you can't go for the baby salute. Where if the guy, they line your hand, go like this. You go use powder, paint your face. For the baby salute, you go there like Wizkid. Immediately you reach out, boom, don't come mighty. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jess and I'm from Abia State, the most useless state in the world. Please give us a round of applause, man. Abia State has consistently been producing the most useless governor in Nigeria. See my governor now, they follow Wiki everywhere. Who not say they snap Wiki all those fine pictures? My governor, Wiki, no time. Governor will go to Christmas for village. Then mobilize people, mobilize Ndada, mobilize these people, mobilize youth. Politicians who are wicked. So are you a politician? You are not wicked. Are you a politician? Wicked! They even get mind, mobilize masquerade. Ebo! See where Ebo, they don't display, finish. Okay, this is a spirit be Ebo. Ebo don't display. They can't pay everybody 30,000. See where the women they complain, everybody they complain. Ebo, start to complain. Say, how we go? Uno go 5,000. They can't say, okay, no problem. Can you get balance? A gym cash. Then my account number. See where they call 204 UBA. Ebo, they use UBA. Ebo. See your guys see more. Now, global investor. They can see you. You always post everything where they do online. Anything you are doing, comedian, post your video, musician, post anything where they do, post your video. And tell us truth. Tell us truth. Anything you do for a living, tell us the truth. All these guests here, you'll be selling bedsheet and oil perfume. And you are using iPhone 13 Pro Max. Tell us the truth. So that we can patronize you. All these guests, when they sell you perfume, okay, Simo, they deliver in person. Where is your location? I'm in Alakaya. Okay, I stay at Rumola. I'm coming to you for 600 and oil perfume. And they'll come put for their status. They'll put all those their bikini wear, all those things where they sell for 400. Put like 16. You know, can't review their status because now clock. Stop that rubbish. I'll lake also. 16. You know, review their status. They'll come twerk. Leave them for middle. I think being a man is one of the toughest jobs in the world. Very, very tough. Nobody cares about men. Nobody care about the boy child. Anybody will get money. Boy, get child education. Get child initiative. Everybody get child. It started from the Bible. Now in the Garden of Eden, Adam and Eve chop apple. No be so. God came down and said, God can't curse man. Say, man, you suffer for this world. He say, you go till the soil. That means you will suffer before you eat. Then God can't turn to woman. Can't say, you only suffer for this world. Now during childbirth. That's during childbirth. Now may Reverend Sister Atene suffer. Amen. That's why if you're here and you're a woman and you suffer before you eat, you're a man. You are not just a man, you're a strong man. Okay, DGM, do you know that as a man that you are, if you build house as landlord, your wife now landed you automatically. I think you know. Good. But if you know, say if your wife build that house as landlady, you will landed the husband. Nobody will call you landlord. Today in government, we have Ministry of Women Affairs. What happened to Ministry of Men Affairs? Nobody. Politicians go campaign word by word, word by word. They'll get women leader. They never have men leader. Even for church. They'll say widows wait behind after service. They'll give them rice, give them tomato, everything. What happened to widowers? They don't lose somebody. To be a man is very tough. That's why Bobrisky left. Do you know Bobrisky? You don't know him? He's the Labour Party candidate for. God bless you. That's my time.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.